Okay, Chelsea, we're at the slime factory, so you both can play wherever you want. You can play with the slime, you can go over there, and I'll chill over here, okay? Okay. Okay, Chelsea. So do you want to open the big slime or the little slime? Since I already have my suit on, and I want to play with the small. Best for last. Okay, I'll open it for you. Hey, Anna. Yes? Can you open this slime? Because I can't. Of course I will. Sorry, Chelsea. I guess we're going to have to do the big slime first. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm going to open the sea life slime. Ooh, it looks so cool. Wait, what is that? I guess you're going to have to find out. Okay, I'll open it for you. Do you want me to dump it out? Yes. Ooh, looks cool. Now I'll chill over here with Anna, okay? Okay, now that I'm alone, I have to do something to interest myself. Okay, so I gotta get this closer to me and better slime. Ooh. I'm gonna pick up this slime and, well, by the way, please like and also share and subscribe to my channel. Maybe I'm going to take the slime. I'm going to take the octopus out. Ooh. I'm going to take it out by its head. Ooh. There's still a little extra slime on it. Is there any more slime? Ooh, maybe I can keep this as a toy. I'm going to ask Anna. Yes, Chelsea? Can I keep this toy, please? Okay, you can. Now, go back to playing. Yay. Now, I will put this back to the side. So, now back to the slime. Ooh, so cool. It's kind of like sea. It's as watery as the sea. It's really watery. I'm gonna throw it at Anna. Hey Anna, watch out, slime coming in. What? Ah! Chelsea, what did you do? Now you got me all slimed. You got me all slimy now. Now I'm gonna have to take a shower when we get to your house. You got me all slimy again. Sorry, Anna. It's okay. Just take it all off. Still feel slimy. I feel wetness. Okay, I guess I'm done. Now I'm gonna go get the cat. I'm gonna go get the cat. The cap is all the way off the building. I gotta grab it. Now I gotta get all up again. We're back up the building. Now we are going to just pick up the slime. Oh, I see that sign there. It says you can't keep the octopus. I get that. I'm gonna put it back in. Now I'm gonna try to open the little slime now. Gotta open a little slime for a little power. I guess we can't open it. I guess it's off limits. Oh yeah, it is off limits. Well, I'm gonna go grab my skirt and also my shoes. Where is my skirt? Oh, it's right here. One of my shoes, where's the other one? Other one is right here. Okay, I guess I'm going to put them both back on. Okay, I'm just going to put my skirt on again. Put it down here. And my shoes on now. Ooh. So, bye guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys later. Watch one of my next videos. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!